Hey, it's Mark from dynamitestocks.com and stockpursuit.com and the Substack. I just wanted to let everybody know about my Substack. I do a lot of more in-depth fundamental research on my Substack, and that's in my link tree and on the websites. I look at deep value stocks that I started looking at back in 2006, 2007. So I've seen a lot of ones that I've seen the characteristics of ones that do well and ones that don't do well. The people that sort of got me into it, or where I learned a lot from, was these blogs back then, and they would call them either perennials or good ones. But the perennials are ones that tend to be a low valuation, year after year after year. So those are the kind of ones that I usually steer away from, unless I see a compelling reason that they're good. But like I was saying, I'm one of the few people I think right now that actually is looking at these. And over the years, I think there's a lot of people that invest in these, or else I wouldn't be, putting it out there. But I think that it's hard to find, free research like that nowadays. So, like I said, I look at a variety of ones, and I cherry pick based on things I've seen in the past, how the ones that work out and ones that don't work out. But I just want to do a quick video on these stocks that I've been looking at recently. I still have the Nerdy and Array positions in RDY. Still doing really well. Array is still holding trend support. Hold it really nicely today. And like I was saying, I see a lot of opportunities in small caps versus large caps now. I think that's the place to look now going forward for the year, is smaller companies that are growing, that have sort of been neglected so far in the large cap rally. You see, like I've been saying in the videos, like a lot's already baked into these large cap stocks. With all the money that's been going to work, they're pretty much anyone that has a shot's been bought up. But there's always opportunities in small caps, so that's what I've been focusing on, and it's been doing well. My Substack, I tweeted out one of those today. SVFD Save Foods was up over 100% today. I did a write up on this one back in March or in spring, and it was like $1 a share or so, and it went up to $2.30 today, and really good volume. But there's always opportunities in these smaller companies. But some of the ones that I was looking at today were these natural gas stocks. Like I'm long NGL. I've got calls in this one. It's doing really well. It's got a good flag and trend support. And I'm long AMPI. This one's just really volatile, and it seems to be moving with natural gas. So I think natural gas has a shot of bottoming out here. Technically, the technicals are looking really good. And you look at the history back the past like 5 years or so. Then the late summer, early falls, when natural gas has sort of started to had some good gains. So in 2021, there was a pretty good summer for that, or back in August. So those are the ones that I want to touch on. Some other ones were METC. This one's got a nice consolidation going. It's actually a coal company, like Coca-Cola, and it may be about to break a long-term downtrend here. We just got to watch this triangle here. Looks really bullish. I mean, it's kind of a perfect consolidation right now. Those are the major ones I want to look at. So I just wanted to put the video out there on the value I see now in oil and gas, and touch on those other things. Have a great night.